Okay, so this needs to go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige B, and today's video is about knowing your head size to make your wig. Yes guys, a lot of people don't know it, especially for the new beginners. You need to know your head size. So if you're making a wig for yourself, your friends, or your family, you have to know their head size in order to get the right wig head or a canvas head to make the wig. So yes guys, today's video is about the size of your head to make a wig, or I could call it the wig head size. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. But today's video is about wig head, wig block, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to tell you the different one, what's the difference from this and what's the difference from that, and blah 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 blah. But before we get started, don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below, right here, right now, and also turn on that bell because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Yes, I upload 3 days a week, so turn on that notification. That's the notification so that you can get notified from me every time I do upload. Yeah guys, so if you want to see this video, click the subscribe button, click the bell, and let's get started. Okay guys, so before we get started into this video, let me just clear something up to you guys right here, right now. I don't want to come here to bash anybody of how they run their business, how they do this and how they do that. Every single body is different, or they do things in their own way to make them feel comfortable. So guys, I'm not here to bash anybody. This is just how I do myself because I'm a professional wig maker and I make wig for myself, for my clients, and they love it. So yeah guys, let's just clear something up right now before this video starts. I don't want nobody to be coming for me and telling me, oh, you blah 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 blah. Oh, yeah, I don't want that. So yeah guys, let's get started on this wig canvas head or this wig block, whatever you want to call it. So the first one I want to start off with is this right here. This is called like a foam head or something like that. You could get this from your beauty supply store. It's very inexpensive. When I started to make wigs, I started on this. Okay, I started to make wigs 3 years ago, and I was just a beginner. I was new to the game. I didn't know nothing. Okay, so this is what I used to make my wigs on, and when I put it onto my head, it couldn't fit. I was like, what the hell is going on? Why this person make a wig on this and it fit their head and it doesn't fit my head? I was like, okay, I need to teach myself. I need to go classes. I need to do this and I need to that. And exactly what I did. So guys, you have to know your head size, which is your circumference. You have to know, and if you're making wig for your friends or your family or a client, you have to measure their head size. Okay, so this wig head or wig block, I don't use it anymore to make wig. I just, whenever I take my wig off, I just put it onto this and that's it. This is the only time I use this, just to put my wig on. Okay, so this needs to go. So first, this is what you need. You need a measuring tape. I got this from the fabric store. You could get anything from the fabric store, even your backdrop, whatever. Okay, so I think I paid like $2.99 for this. This is how it is, and then you have a little, like a nub or something. You squeeze it and it go all the way up. So you have to measure your head, your circumference, just like that. You got to take your wig off. Okay, so don't measure your head with a wig on. Take the wig off and just go like that and just measure your head. My head size, I'm a 22. That's a medium. Okay, small is like 21 to 21.5. Medium is like a 22 to a 22.5. Large is like a 23 to a 23.5. And then sometimes you have extra large because some people's head are real big. Okay, their head are really big, and it goes all, I think it go all the way up to 25. So I have a couple here. All right, so let me start off with my head size, which is a 22 right here. I don't know if you can see it. My light is very bright. So if you can see it, this is a 22, and I got this from Amazon. that I'm telling you right now is from Amazon. It's not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. So this is my wig head size. Okay, this is a canvas head and it's very inexpensive. I think I pay like 20 something or 30 something dollars for it. A lot of people can't afford this when they're first starting out, but I guarantee that you should invest. Save up your money, okay, put on like $5-10 every week and just buy a canvas head. That's what they call it, a canvas head, okay? And just measure your head and just buy it. So this is a 22 and this is what I made my wig on, which is the one here, and I have a whole lot more, okay? And then you have a 23 right here. I just got this one from Amazon. I just opened it, so this is brand new and never been used before. And I have a couple of wigs to make for my client, and their head size is like my head size and a little bit bigger, so that's the reason why I have to buy more. And I even have to buy like an extra large because, you know, everybody's head size is different, so you have to have different small, medium, large, and extra large. Okay, so I have a couple of them right now, and this one is like mine is a medium, and this is like a kind of like medium too, like 22.5, 23 is like a medium. All right, so this is the other one, and then you have the small one, which is a 21 to 21.5 is a small. All right, so yeah, these are the wig head that I have 3 right now, okay, and I have to get more. So yeah guys, you have to make sure that you measure your head size or your client's head size, and make sure that you have a measuring tape. You know, if the person is very close to you, that you could like jump on the train, jump in your car and go to them. That's what I do. Most of my clients here are really close to me, so I normally go to them, bring this with me, and all I do just, you know, measure the head. Okay, that's what I do. I measure the head, and then I come back and pick out whichever one that suit them, and then I make the wig. So it's pretty easy, you know, it's nothing hard. You just gotta train yourself. You gotta teach yourself. I mean, come on, nobody's gonna help you. You gotta teach yourself how to make a wig. If you want to be into the hair industry business like me, it's hard work. You know, it's hard work. There's room for everybody, but you just gotta go and teach yourself. So yeah guys, this is not going to be a long video. This is just a very informative video for you to show you exactly what kind of canvas or a wig head to buy to make your wig for your friends, family, clients, or yourself. So I hope this was very informative for you. As I said, these are not inexpensive at all. I'm gonna tell you right now, okay? So right now I am on Amazon right here, and the small head, the small one, which is a 21, is for $21.98. Okay, that's for the small one, which is a 21 circumference. The medium size is the same price, $21.98. The medium circumference head is a 22, and the large is a 23, which is also $21.98. So they're very inexpensive. And yeah, I think they have extra large, which is like a 24 to a 25, and it's the same price. So yeah guys, if you want to make a wig, or if you're just starting out, just invest in one of these. You know, start with, a lot of people head size is like a medium, so I would suggest that if you first want to buy this, go with a 22. That's a medium size head. Go with a 22 because a lot of people head are like a medium, you know. So I would just go with a 22, you know, make some money, save up your money, and then buy a 24, a 21, whatever. But yeah guys, pretty much that's it. I hope this was informative for you, and yeah guys, I don't think I have anything more to say. If you want more information on this, just leave it down below in the description box. I will answer everybody question, whatever they want to know. I will definitely answer you. I'm quick like that. I'm always on my phone, so if you send me a message, I'll get back to you less than 24 hours. And don't forget to check out my website. My website link will be down below as always. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye.